Hello everyone, my name is Jami Kayode. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can apply for financial aid on Coursera. What financial aid does for you. Financial aid will help you to study course on Coursera for free without paying any amount of money. So I will show you how you can do that by yourself. So the first thing you have to do is to search to log is the first thing you have to do is to create account with Coursera. So I've done that in my last video. If you want to know how to create account and on Coursera, so you can watch that video. So the next thing you have to do is to sign in your account if you want to apply for any course on Coursera. So after signing on Coursera, so you will have to search for the course that you are interested in to study. So for instance, I want to let's search for example to check the course. Let's search for data science. So not all courses that on Coursera have this opportunity of financial aid, but most of the courses that on Coursera have this financial aid. So let me click on this. So let's check. As you can see, you have to check. I check here. So don't click on this run for free. So if you click on that, you will not be able to do financial aid. So the course that you are interested in, just search here. So after searching the course, click on the course that you are interested in. So and find if the course have the option of financial aid available. So but to show you how you can do that, I want to apply for cyber security. So I want to apply for this one. Let me check if the financial aid available for this course. Now financial aid is available. So the first thing you have to do is to click on that. So the next. So continue to the application. So after continuing to the application, you have to answer some questions here. So before you are able to so high school, your education level, your education level. So I apply for that and I come, let me select Naira because I'm from Nigeria. Enter what's your annual income. I put 20,000 naira for instance as and you can also put let me put 7 because I don't have any money to pay. That's the reason I apply for financial aid. What's your employment status? I'm a student. So why are you applying for financial aid? So you have to write not less than 150 words to so I've written my home somewhere. So all I have to do is just to copy and paste. Control C. So just let me paste. So after that, click on next. So how much can you pay for your selected course? So The reason why you are applying for this is just that you don't have any money to pay. That's the reason you are applying for this course with financial aid. I will turn this to 0. So how will your selected course help with your goal? So you have to write not less than 50 words for that too. So let me copy and paste. Control C. Cyber C. Cyber security. I just have to. So all just you have to do here just to bring your reason that the reason you select this course. Cyber security. So after you have done that, click on this, click on this too. So that means if you know that you will not be able to complete this course, please don't apply because they want to give you opportunity to study for free. So you have to be serious. I agree to the term above. Terms, okay. So after that, click on I'm not a robot. So next you have to click on review. So after click on review, as you can see, thanks for completing your application. So maybe you want to edit something, you want before you submit your application, you can do that also. So the last step is to click on this submit application. So I click on that. So as you click on that, so you see success, we have received your application. So you have to wait for 15 days before your application will be approved or reject. But if you follow this guide that I explained to you on this video, so your application, I can guarantee you that your application will be approved. And maybe you do some mistake when you apply, so and your application was is rejected, so you can reapply so to correct that mistake in the next time. So let me check my mail to confirm if my application has been received. So as you can see, financial aid application received. You will receive this mail on your email. So this is how you can use your this is the guide step on how you can use financial aid to apply for course on Coursera. So and after waiting for 15 days, we get an email from Coursera that your application has been approved or reject, and this is how it will look like. Let me show you. So as you can see, so congratulations, you have been approved for financial aid. That is how it will look like. So I've tried this so many times to apply for some courses to study on Coursera, you can do that too. So and then make sure you share this update with your friend, colleagues, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your comment under this video. So thanks for watching video. And this Coursera is not only about study or it's not about studying alone. You can also get connection and the certificate that they will give you after you complete this course. You can use it to get a job from anywhere in the world. So thank you very much. May God bless you. Thanks for watching.